Okay, so we're on a bus in Rome, Italy. So look. Amazing, right? I like that they also have a river here, like France. Oh, okay. Are we going to the St. Peter's Basilica? I don't know where we're heading. Hala, lubot na din to. Amazing. Traffic ba? So yun lang. Antok na ako. Hindi ko alam kung bakit ganito sa Rome. Iniwan ng driver yung bus na walang tao. Tapos wala ding driver. Wala, tinambay niya lang. Hindi ko alam. Pumasok ako, I thought it's going to move. Hindi ko alam kung saan nagpunta. So nawala na siya. Baka nag-break or nag-CR. Hindi ko alam kung iniiwan lang nila. Okay, fine. Kasi pumasok siya, akala ko naman yun lalarga and all, wala. So I'm in Rome, Italy. We're in